Hello guys, we're trying something new. We're going to be doing some really real first person perspective videos on what's happening around the construction at our house. And look, we've even got kids in the back. She's riding her bike. I'm in my garage right now. You can see behind me there is like lawnmowers and construction equipment and bikes and all kinds of stuff, and that's basically what's happening in our garage at all times. There's canvases, there's stuff that we plan to use for projects around the house that we haven't gotten to yet. We've got some stuff we need to get rid of. I've got all these succulents that I use for my succulents class for work, and they're sitting in my garage right now. So basically we've got all this stuff going on, and I want to make a little bit of an effort to get a little of it cleaned out. So today I'm going to work on the succulents. I've got all these little containers. I'm going to mix up some succulent soil and get that out of the way. So hopefully we'll just have I don't know guys, all the clutter is starting to really get to me. Like, I've got pieces of furniture that I want to redo and put in the house once it's finished construction and being decorated, but we're nowhere near that point, so it's being stored in the garage. So anyway, every little bit counts and every little bit helps. So we're gonna start with these succulents because I can't throw them away. I just can't do it. I just cannot throw them away. It's money, they're live plants, I can't do it. So maybe after this point I'll give some away. They're used to it. Anyway, we're gonna maybe give some away, but right now I'm gonna get to planting some of these guys. You can see them here. There's pool salt. There's just so much stuff in this garage. All right, I'm gonna get to planting some succulents. Okay, that definitely didn't take care of them as much as I wanted it to. I think I got rid of 5 plants, so we're having to move on to bigger guns. I have a planter out here. Right, that guy, right there. Gonna fill it up with some plastic pots to take up some room, put dirt in it, and try to use up the rest of the succulents. I'm determined to get rid of them. Alright, so we planted that one. Let me back up so you can see it a little better. I don't know if the phone will focus. Yeah, we planted that one right there. You can see it right there in the corner. I can't flip the camera around while I'm shooting, but you can look behind me. We have that one, which I planted about a week or 2 ago. We got the 2 shoes action, and basically we cleaned up a whole thing of soil, almost all the what's it called? Perlite. Gosh, I don't know why I call it Pedialyte every single time. We've got like 10 little plants left, and the garage is a little cleaner. I know it's not a ton cleaner, but hey, every little bit helps. All right guys, till next project.